Hi everybody again. I'm here today scrapping a phone. I got this off one of my neighbours. They were throwing out stuff and he knew I do a bit of scrapping and he asked me, did I want it? I said, yeah, I'll take it. What we have here is a phone cable here. It's not, I'll keep this because this could come in very handy. I won't scrap this because you never know when this could come in handy. Now, again, wire. Let's cut this off and put them into the pile. All come in very handy. Build weight. Now, in this here, I'm not too sure what's in it. I'll open it and see though. There's a little Phillips head here. So I'll just open the screw here. Plastic. And a little board. A little low grade board. Don't know. Yeah, it's a little low grade board. Couple of wires, small wires. I don't know what that is. I'll test it with my magnet. It's a magnet, I think. I think it's a magnet, I do. I'm not sure. But that's what's in the phone little part. Now, coming to this. We'll open this up now and see what's inside. It says 70% to 80% of this all plastic. But there's no harm to check and see what's it like. Now, see, I don't know if you can see in here where the connections go. They're gold. They're gold plated. So if you're into your gold collecting, rip them out. Now, just open this here. Now, small piece of steel there. Rest again, plastic here. Now, this board. Oh, I thought it would be a high grade board. That's a low grade board. I've ripped them off. They're gold. Just rip them out and just put them into your gold pile. Piece of steel, small piece of wire, and more plastic again. That's all in this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Any questions, comment below the video. Goodbye.